Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could stop in and spend a few seconds with me. Thank you for just taking the time to do that, and I'm glad you're here. And since you're here, could you press the subscribe button so you can see what I'm doing on my channel? And also, could you give a comment and a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here? And so let me tell you what I'm about today. Father's Day is coming up, and I needed to make a few Father's Day cards. So I made a couple for Father's Day, and I wanted to share those. So I made this one. So this one is really cute. I like that because it's a little bear, and he's going, Happy Father's Day. Little bear doing that. He's really cute. Hope you can see him really good. So that's my first one. So my second one is for a friend who has 3 daughters. And so I made it kind of like that way. Let me see, put it right there for you so you can see it. So it's like a Happy Father's Day, you're the best. And I liked it with the little Tim Holtz girls on it. I did a little coloring on them, a little coloring around, a little background collage. So this one, I love the butterflies. Happy Father's Day. May the sunshine and joy fill this special day. And the butterflies, and I propped this one up a little bit and gave him some glossy accents to get that going on there. So then what I wanted to do is I said, well, let me make one with you. Let's make an easy Father's Day card. You don't have to have much to make one. So I cut out my background to do this, to make the card. Cut out the background. So you don't need much to make a pretty good card for someone. So this is my background. I did it with a blend of Distress inks, and I did the carved pumpkin and the new scorched timber. I'm really liking that scorched timber. I'm looking at it going, I think I really like that. So I put that there, cut that out. Like a little newspaper print. I'm gonna put that a little off-sided a bit. I'm liking that off-side look. I got me a little stamped out Happy Father's Day. Put that on there, and I covered that. I stamped it, and then I did the scorched timber and the pumpkin. Then I got me a cool looking guy from some of my ephemera books for Father's Day. I'm gonna put my cool guy right there, slide him down just a little. There we go. We got us a really cool looking Father's Day card. So to all the fathers out there, Happy Father's Day. To my brothers, James and Bob, Happy Father's Day. And I hope I put your cards in the mail and you get them soon. So happy Father's Day. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. I have a art journal one. I worked on envelope journal, so I'll have those things to show, and I'll be putting those videos up shortly. But thank you for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, press that button and subscribe, and come and join me and take a little time to just relax while I craft a bit or share. Also, don't forget, my new thing is self-care is not selfish. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.